5 habits only rich people have. Here are 5 habits commonly associated with wealthy individuals. Continuous learning. Wealthy people often prioritize lifelong learning. They invest time in reading books, attending seminars, and taking courses to expand their knowledge and skills. This allows them to stay ahead of trends, adapt to changing circumstances, and identify new opportunities. Goal setting and planning. Successful individuals set clear financial goals and create detailed plans to achieve them. They break down their long-term objectives into smaller, actionable steps and track their progress regularly. This disciplined approach helps them stay focused and motivated. Strategic networking. Building and maintaining strong relationships is a key habit of wealthy people. They actively network with like-minded individuals, attend industry events, and leverage their connections to gain valuable insights and support. A strong network can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Mindful spending. While wealthy people can afford luxury items, they often practice mindful spending. They differentiate between wants and needs, prioritize essential expenses, and invest their money wisely. This disciplined approach helps them grow their wealth over time. Risk-taking. Successful individuals are often comfortable with calculated risks. They are not afraid to step outside their comfort zone and pursue new ventures, even if there is a chance of failure. This willingness to take risks can lead to significant rewards. It's important to note that while these habits are common among wealthy individuals, they are not exclusive to them. Anyone can adopt these habits and work towards building their own wealth and success.